Hello my alien students, hope everyone is doing good. This is another series of class where the alien itself asks questions, because humans keep asking questions, so I thought let the alien keep asking questions, isn't it? Okay, alien in the sense it's me. Okay, John the alien. Okay, my question is as follows. Okay, I think everybody knows, or it's assumed that everybody knows, or let's say all my fellow humans and baby aliens know the concept of view range. Okay, that means for a specific view, we have a view range, isn't it? We have the primary view range, the view depth. The numbers are as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Very clear. This is the cut plane, isn't it? This defines many things, especially in the view visibility graphics, isn't it? These parameters control many things. I think hopefully one day I have made the trailer. I need to make the movie for it. Anyway, coming soon. View range will be mastered. So let's say this is an alien trick, an alien question on view range. Okay, listen. What's my question? This is my question. Okay, we are happy with this view range. We are happy we can see every item clearly, isn't it? Yeah, it is very clear. However, the problem comes when we add that window. Okay, let's suppose I place a window. Okay, I think you can see it now. Excellent. Okay, let me place one more. Okay, you are happy, I am happy. Okay, I'm going to select these two windows, and for some reason I wanted to make the windows down. Okay, let's say I forgot the view range numbers. Let's say we are 1300. Let's say I made it 600. Okay, what I want to ask you is, the question is going to be clear. Wow, this is the question. We have the windows here. Okay, we have the windows because the tags are shown, isn't it? If I take let's say a 3D view, or do you want to take a camera? Take a camera. Let's take a picture. What do you call it, selfie or what? Okay, it's not very clear because it's too far. Something else. Just a second. What we said, we want to see the camera. Okay, you can see the window here, see, because it was not in its projection range. As let's say alien vision. Okay, you can see this two windows, isn't it? Okay, my question is, what's my question? Yeah, you can see these two windows which I placed here. Okay, what's my question? Okay, we are happy that the windows are existing. Okay, the question is as follows. In this view, let's say I am in first floor, level 1. Okay, in this view I would like to have two view range, in the sense for this much part of the window, this much part of the building. Okay, I would love to have another view range, so I can see the windows and I can see other objects. Okay, so this is the question. In the next video or something, I will show you in one view. This is a view, no? This is called a view. Level 1 is a view. I will show you a method where you can add, let's say, more than 2 or 3 or n number of view ranges. So in a view, we cannot not limit it just to one view range. Okay, so this is the question. I want you to use your brains. Okay, I think you have them, isn't it? Get connected to that and try to get me the answer. Send me the answer. Tell me the answers in the comment section. Job, this is the answer. Okay, this is a good question. How do we have, let's say, multiple? Let's say I want, instead of another question, I would like this much part to be in a different view range, and this much part in a different view range. Okay, so how to do it? Okay, in the next video I show you how to do it. Okay, so this is, let's say, mastering the concept of view range and having multiple view ranges in a given view. That would be the better title, isn't it? Having multiple. How do we have multiple view range in a given view? Beautiful. Okay, so this is the story for this alien question. Okay, this is the house, isn't it? Let's just make a 3D view. You can see my. You cannot see where is my. It's true, it seems, isn't it? Just a second. Yeah, these are my. This is the bedroom. Okay, isn't it? You get the picture? Yeah. My question is, okay, another question. I have another question. Two questions. Buy one get one free. Okay, listen. This is a good question. Actually, this question was coming up. I think aliens should start giving questions for humans, isn't it? Okay, let me just this would be another question. I want, when I select this, let's say roof, okay, only if I select it, then only I can become, let's say, transparent. I can see through it, isn't it? But my question is, I want to make it transparent, but the roof should be there. Same logic here. Okay, if I select this, let's say wall, I want to make this wall transparent. How do I make the wall transparent? Okay, so I can see it inside, isn't it? As a designer, you want to see what's inside, and then temporarily, it's not like you don't delete it. I want to make the object transparent. How do we make it transparent? At least in a given view. Okay, so when I select it, okay, I can see, okay, this is here, this is there, whatever will be the story. Okay, let's say if I'm in a section view, so two questions you have. This view doesn't have a section view. Okay, make a section view. This guy is going too much, but anyway, go to view. Okay, you get the picture. Let me show you something. Right click, orient, where is my friend, orient to section 1. Sorry. Okay, this is what's our question, isn't it? He had a cut. Okay, this is like this, isn't it? We have those windows here. Okay, my question is as follows. So when I selected this wall, it has become kind of partially transparent, so I can see through. It's called having alien vision. My question is, when I deselect it, I still want it to be like transparent. So it will make life easy for us, isn't it? How to do it? Okay, so two questions you have. Question number 1, in a given view, how do we have multiple view ranges? Okay, I like always to tell my fellow humans, fellow baby aliens, students, all the best. Okay, step number 2, question number 2, I have selected an object. For example, this. Okay, 1 minute. I just show you okay, this is the question. Okay, so when I deselect, it is becoming opaque, not transparent. I show you what's the final result. 1 second. Okay, so I want it to look something like this. See, this wall is there, but it has become. I have alien vision. I can see it, isn't it? You're not selected, but I can see the wall, isn't it? It has become kind of transparent. How did I do it? Okay. The other walls are all okay. But only one wall which I selected, this wall which I wanted that time. See, it is there. Wall is there. But it become transparent. You got alien vision now, isn't it? So this is the question. Can I show you how to do it in the next class? Okay. I want you to use your brains and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay. Even for this. Okay. Take care, and I think everyone enjoyed this class. I think that's it for today. See each other in the next class. Yalla. Bye.